Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Aditya and today I'm going to talk about a few lessons that completely changed my life and the way I think of it. So first of all, I would like to tell you that I am no philosopher or no psychiatrist or anything, no therapist. I'm just sharing my experiences and the things I learned in the past few years about my life, and that completely changed the way I think. So don't take these as complete advices you need to follow. Just listen to them and just think about it and just think yourself what you need to do for making your life a lot better than it is at this moment. So for the first tip that I have, and I guess it is the most important tip in this video, it is like learning to face embarrassment and not being shy anymore. There are a lot of people I have met in my life, they can't really follow their dream, or they're too shy or too scared of telling others what they want to do in future. There are a lot of friends of mine who wants to pursue sports as their career, but they're too afraid of their parents or something. They can never really tell anyone that they really want to do it, and they're just being pressurized by their parents for doing something that they are really not interested into, right? So just try to face the world and tell everyone what you really want to do. When I started my first YouTube channel, I was really scared and I thought my friends and my family will say, what are you doing? And they'll probably make fun of me. And the truth is, actually they did. I faced a lot of embarrassment, but actually with time I learned to face it and I learned to face the world. And today I am really happy that I could finally do what I really wanted to do, that is making videos and posting them on YouTube and showing the whole world what I really think. So I guess you really need to just come up to the world and just tell everyone what you really want to do. Just stop thinking about what others will think about it. It is just a mere factor that is stopping you from changing your life. So just do what you really want to do. दुनिया से डरने की बजाय just think कि क्या वो चीज़ है जो तुमको better feel कराती है, and just learn to love yourself more than anything. If you think this is great, just go on, do it. The second tip that I have is people are really chasing short-term goals over long-term goals, or any decision you take in short term, for short term happiness is going to affect your long term happiness, and you're not ever thinking about it. For example, if you go to buy a new car and the salesman tells you that we are giving you this offer, no down payment, and just buy this car, will give you no interest for 3 years or something like that, you'll probably think this is a good deal, but in the long run this really affects you. The biggest example is credit card. Most of the people think credit card is really good, they give you a lot of bonuses and stuff, but in reality in the long run they can you can end up in a lot of credit card debt, and most of the people in the world are really facing credit card debt. So that is something you can take for an example, right? So instead of chasing short-term happiness, just think of the long term, that in the next coming 5 years or 10 years, is it really going to help you, or is it going to be the reason of your downfall, right? So choti aajkal ki something that could make you happy today, या जो चीज़ आपको आज कल परसों में खुश कर सकती है, मे बी parties or something, is that more important for you rather than being happy for the rest of the 5 or 10 years or rest of your life and not regretting anything? So just think about it. People today are a lot focused more on short-term goals and short-term happiness instead of looking for the longer things that really do affect your life in the longer period. So just keep in mind कि जो चीज़ शायद आज खुशी दे रही है वो हो सकता है 10 साल बाद या 5 साल बाद दुख दे. So it's better to just think about it before taking any big decision in life. Third thing that I have for you is free information is king. आजकल के टाइम पे free information बहुत easily available है, and you don't really need to pay for anything in general, right? If you need to learn something, if you need to learn web development, if you need to learn video editing, if you need to learn freelancing, you can just learn it off for free on the internet, or you can just learn it without paying a lot of money, right? That is something really important these days. You can get almost any course for free. I'm currently learning web development. I've already mastered HTML and CSS, and I'm currently completing my JavaScript course that I took for free. And this is really important part of your life, like just gaining as much information as you can. And at this time when everyone has internet, everyone has this technology, you can always try to get things for as cheap as possible or even free, and you can just try to grab as much information as you can. It is always helpful. The fourth point that I have is social validation. You don't always have to show the world that you are living a great life. If you know you're living a great life, that should be enough for you. आजकल के टाइम पे everyone is showing off with an iPhone, with an expensive car and everything. But the question that comes is, do you really need it? If you see someone with a BMW on the street, you'll probably think they are doing really great in their life. But is that the truth? If someone is driving a mid-range car, is it like, are you sure that he's not doing great in his life? Just think about it. Just think ki the thing you need, how much value is it providing you? Like whenever I try to buy something, instead of going for like the social validation side, I just go for the usability side. If you buy like a 20,000 rupee smartphone versus a 60,000 rupee smartphone, do you really need the 60,000 rupee smartphone, or is the 20,000 rupee smartphone enough for you? This could go with anything like a 5,000 rupees keyboard versus a 1,000 rupees keyboard. They are probably giving you the same value, and or even if they are not giving you the same value, the value of the 5,000 rupees keyboard can't be as high. Like it can't provide you with 5 times more value compared to the other keyboard that you are buying. So just think about it. You don't always need to show the world that you are doing great in life, that you are successful. It does not work like that. Just think of what you need, what is its use, and then take the next step. The next lesson that I learned was reciprocation. It is like helping someone so that one day they'll probably help you in return. Suppose you're going by the road and your like car crashes down, or your car breaks down and like your battery dies, right? And you're on the side of the road with your car and it's not starting, and someone stops their car and they decide to help you. They could just drive by, but they decide to help you. That help could really mean something to you, right? At this point of time, you really needed that help and that person gave it to you. And suppose 3 years later, 4 years later, you're going by the same road, you see that person or some other person who has the same situation. You'll probably stop by and help them because someone else did it for you as well, right? So this, just like helping someone you see in need, is something that could really change the world and your life, and you're thinking about it, right? So this is something that you really need to do. And it's not like कि अगर किसी ने आपकी help की तभी आप उसकी help करें. Maybe it can be you just help someone, because I believe it always comes back to you. So instead of like just passing by and driving by someone, if you see someone on road or something, like just take any situation in this case, just try to help someone, because you don't know which day you'll require help and who might stop for you or who might not, right? So just try to help others, because I believe it always comes back. The next thing that I really feel is that materialism, or like buying new stuff to show off, or anything like buying a larger TV or buying a better computer, better phone, that does not always give you happiness. Happiness never, like most of the time, happiness does not come from like materialistic things. I have tried it. You can try it as well if you don't believe in me. I'm not saying that money can't make you happy or things like that. I'm just saying it never comes, like most of the time it does not come from materialistic things. Like suppose I buy a new mouse today, I'll feel happy about it. I'll feel happy about it for like a week or two, but after that I'll get used to it and it won't provide me happiness. Instead of that, आज के टाइम पे ज़्यादा important है friendships बनाना या memories बनाना, जो आगे आपको खुशियाँ देंगी, एंड यू कैन जस्ट रिमेंबर देम फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम and they'll make you happy about it. So try to make long term friendship, long term relationships, and just try to make memories that could make you happy instead of relying on materialistic things for your happiness. The next thing that I consider a very important part of my life is sometimes agreeing that I might be at the wrong side. We humans are made to think that we are never wrong, and this is very common between us कि हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि हमारी गलती नहीं है. If you are at school and the teacher is scolding you, most of the time we think कि the teacher is just doing that because he maybe he has a bad image of you in mind or something like that, but that is probably not always the case. I agree, almost 80% of the times it's not your fault, but just think about that 20% of the time when it's actually you who is at the wrong side. We never really want to think that we are wrong because this does not make any sense to our mind, but in reality we could be wrong. So just take a step back and just think about it. Just think that you could be at the wrong side as well. This will make you a lot happier in life, and this will make your life a lot better. Just trust me on this one. Another tip that I would consider giving you is reaching out to old friends. Once in a while, just try to reach out to old friends, look into your contact list, and just search those friends you made almost 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, and you never talked to them. Some time ago, a friend of mine just messaged me, like he was a friend of mine for like 2 years and we never talked, and it's been like 4 years since that, and he just suddenly messaged me, and this made me so happy that someone still remembers me. And since that day, once in a while, I just take out my time and try to contact the people I was once friends with, like some friends of mine from 6th class, from 5th class, and it just makes me really happy. Just remembering the old days when we used to have fun, just talking about what we are really doing in life, because at this point of time, we all grow apart so much that we can't really we don't really think about others, we just forget and move on. But at this point of time, you can probably try to like talking to some old friends of yours. This really makes you feel a lot happier. At least I feel a lot happier after talking to some old friends I made. तो हमेशा बीच में टाइम निकाल के अपने पुराने दोस्तों से बात किया कीजिए. एट दिस लाइक काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेटर फील होता है. And because most of the time, like the depression cases are higher than ever in this world at this point of time, so probably try talking to some other friends. Just call them and talk to them, like याद है पहले हम कितने अच्छे दोस्त हुआ करते थे, काफ़ी टाइम से हमने बात नहीं की, लेकिन अभी हम बात कर सकते हैं एक दूसरे को अपनी लाइफ के बारे में बताना, एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. जस्ट embracing life and everything in general is going to make you feel a lot better. So just try to reconnect with old friends and make new friends as well. The second last point I would like to tell you is that we just think some things matter a lot in our life, or I could rephrase this as things only matter as much as we want them to in our life. कई बार हम काफ़ी छोटी छोटी बातों को इतना बड़ा मान लेते हैं that we just can't concentrate or can't move forward in our life because of them. लेकिन in reality वो इतनी matter नहीं करती जितना कि हम उनको matter अपनी तरफ करने देते हैं. तो instead of like stopping your life and just thinking about कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, just let it go and just think about that it does not matter as much as you do or your happiness does. Like a lot of people are stuck in old memories or like old relationships and things for a long time, and they just stop being productive because of that. So instead of doing that, just think of it as a good memory you had and just keep moving forward, because these things don't matter as much as you do. And कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आप सड़क पे जा रहे हैं and आपकी किसी से लड़ाई हो जाती है or something like that, and you just keep that thing in your mind for the whole day, making your whole day worse compared to what it was going to be. So just let it be. Always, I like most of the time whenever I am in a game and like there is someone toxic, he's just telling me that I'm trash and things like that, I just don't listen to it. I probably try to forget it in the next 5 or 10 minutes, and this really makes me feel a lot better. and this just makes my day a lot better overall. So just stop thinking that things matter a lot in life. Some things don't matter as much as we think they do. So for the last tip that I would like to give you is that we are all a little too scared of the unknown. That like this is somehow connected to the first point I gave you as well. Like we are really scared of doing something that we love. Like just starting a business or taking risk. Everyone is so scared of starting a business, or like everyone is scared of starting a YouTube channel, or like going to pursue sports as their career, because they are afraid of something called the unknown, like something that they don't know. If they go to a party and your relatives ask कि आगे क्या करना है, and like सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्रिकेट या बैडमिंटन खेलने से तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी नहीं होगी, what will you do after you retire or like that, like क्या तुम पूरी ज़िंदगी भर YouTube वीडियोस बना सकते हो, या क्या तुम्हारा अगर बिजनेस काम नहीं किया तो क्या करोगे. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक बीइंग स्केयर्ड अबाउट दैट, जस्ट बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ कि हाँ अगर मैं रिटायर हो भी गया तो आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ कि मैं उसके बाद भी अपने आप को सस्टेन करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तरीका ढूंढ लूँगा. सो डोंट ऑलवेज बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ द अननोन. Learn to take risks, learn to make your life much better, learn to take risk and learn to chase your dreams, क्योंकि this is the time you can take your risks. अभी we are like, we don't have a lot of responsibilities at this time. Our parents can easily take care of us, and probably we don't have a wife or a husband or like kids to take care of or kids to feed. We can take risks and we can eventually come out of them. But if you compare it to a man with a family to feed, he cannot take as much risk as you can. So always learn to take risk at this point of time, and don't be afraid of the unknown. I know you can do it. I know I can do it. Let's believe in ourselves and let's make our life a lot better. That is it for this video. आगे और ऐसी वीडियोस देखने के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, हिट द लाइक बटन इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो. इफ़ यू डिड नॉट लाइक इट, यू कैन ऑल्सो हिट द डिसलाइक बटन. If you have any suggestion or any query, you can put it down in the comment section. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.